In Louisiana's presidential primary on Saturday, March 23rd, both US President Joe Biden and former President Donald Trump secured victories, further solidifying their positions after securing their respective party nominations. With no races hanging in the balance, the outcome merely reaffirmed their dominance over their major competitors. Biden collected the 48 delegates up for grabs for Democrats, and former President Donald Trump collected the 47 delegates for Republicans. Louisiana's primary took place nearly 4 years after the state became the first to postpone its primaries due to the COVID-19 pandemic. In this primary, Biden secured 132,430 votes, leading the Democratic contenders, with Marianne Williamson receiving 7,400 votes and Dean Phillips garnering 4,079 votes. On the Republican side, Trump emerged victorious with 165,182 votes, surpassing competitors Nikki Haley, who received 12,137 votes, and Ron DeSantis, who secured 2,863 votes. For Biden, some liberals are registering their anger with the ongoing war between Israel and Hamas. When it comes to Trump, the former president is facing dissent from people worried about his legal cases. Additionally, on Saturday, the Democratic Party held its primary in the state of Missouri. Notably, this marks the Democratic Party's inaugural party-run presidential contest since the implementation of a new law in August 2022. The outcome of this primary is anticipated to be disclosed no sooner than Monday. The long-anticipated rematch of Trump and Biden is expected to mirror the 2020 campaign, though Trump will run this time under the specter of 91 felony charges related to allegations that he plotted to overturn his 2020 election defeat. The charges included that he played a lead role in the January 6, 2021 insurrection at the US Capitol, illegally took classified documents from the White House, and covered up hush money payments to an adult film star ahead of the 2016 election. Another looming concern for Trump is the approaching deadline to secure a $500 million bond to appeal his civil fraud case in New York.